fight me? Well, yeah, you can kind of see. It's not that dark, but I do got my fan going right here. Even though it's just raining now, it's not hot, but what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. And let's see if anyone gets up on here. I don't even know what time. Shit, man. It's 3:11 right now. I'm just here in the store chilling. Ay, cabrón.